morning, my dear children. Today, we are going to start with lesson 2 of our grammar book, Subject and Predicate. Children, you have already studied about subject and predicate in your previous class. But here, we'll get some more information about this topic. Let us start with a recap. We all know that a sentence is always divided into two parts, the subject and the predicate. What is a subject? The subject is the first part of the sentence and it tells us who or what the sentence is about. Now we'll see the examples. Aditya is a teacher of German. Lucky and Soumya play chess every day. Flowers on the tree look beautiful. We'll see the first sentence. It is talking about Aditya. So, Aditya is subject in first sentence. Second sentence is talking about Lucky and Soumya who play chess every day. So, Lucky and Soumya is subject in second sentence. Third sentence is talking about the flowers on the tree. So, flowers on the tree is subject in third sentence. Now come to predicate. What is predicate? It is the second part of the sentence and it generally starts with a verb. It tells us about the action the subject does. Same examples are given in front of you. See, Aditya is a teacher of German. So, what the sentence is talking about Aditya? It is saying that he is a teacher of German. So, is a teacher of German is a predicate. In the second sentence, Lucky and Soumya, what they play? They play chess every day. So, what is predicate? Play chess every day. In the third sentence, flowers on the tree, what they do? They look beautiful. So, look beautiful is predicate in the third sentence. Now, we'll learn about different forms and functions of subject. Children, we are having 3 examples in front of us. And we'll see that in all these examples, the subject is found in different forms. First example, the fruit contains vitamins. In the first sentence, fruit is subject, but it is a noun. So, noun is acting as a subject in first sentence. Come to the second sentence, swimming is a good exercise. Here, subject is swimming, but it is a gerund. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and functions as a noun in the sentence. So here swimming is gerund and is a subject in the sentence. Come to the third sentence. The questions in the book are tough. Here the subject is questions in the book, but it is a noun phrase. What is a noun phrase? A word or a group of words containing the noun and functioning as a subject in the sentence. Now we'll see how subject acts in different types of sentences. First, we'll talk about imperative sentences. What is an imperative sentence? A sentence that gives a command, order, or makes a request is called an imperative sentence. When we talk about imperative sentence, we see that imperative sentences may appear to have no subject. We are having few examples in front of us. See, it is written, write the heading first, open the door, add little syrup to the cake. In all the 3 sentences, we find that there is no subject or subject is missing. Here we have to assume that there is a subject and that is you. First sentence means you write the heading first. Second sentence means you open the door. And third sentence means you add little syrup to the cake. So in all these 3 sentences, we automatically assume that there is you acting as a subject. Let's see what happens in question sentences. Question or interrogative sentence do not start with a subject. The subject in the question comes after the verb that starts the sentence. Look at the example given below. Is Aditya a teacher of German? So here it is a question sentence which is starting with is. But what the sentence is talking about? The sentence is talking about Aditya, which is a subject, but we see that Aditya is not in the beginning of the sentence. The sentence is getting started with a question word, and that is. Similarly, when we come to the second sentence, do Lucky and Soumya play chess every day? Here also we are talking about Lucky and Soumya, who are the subject, but here also they are not in the beginning of the sentence. The sentence is getting started with a question word, and that is do, or we can say that it is a verb. Let's talk about exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows anger, fright, surprise, happiness, or other strong feelings. Just like question sentences, even in exclamatory sentences, subject does not come first. Just see the example. How cute the baby is. Here in this sentence, we are talking about the baby, which is subject, but it is still not in the beginning of the sentence. In the second sentence also, when we say, what a brave effort, we are talking about effort, which is noun, but here also it is not in the beginning of the sentence. So we have seen that even in exclamatory sentences, the subject does not come in the beginning of the sentence. We now have come to the end of our lesson. Let's have a quick review. I hope you all understood that every sentence has a subject in it. It can be found in different forms like noun, gerund, phrases, pronoun, or proper noun. It is not always compulsory for a subject to be in the beginning of the sentence. For predicate, we should remember that it must contain a verb in it, and in all declarative sentences, the predicate always comes after the subject. Children, now evaluate yourselves and try to find the answers of the given exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.